YouTube, what's going on, guys? Never here back with another video. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to edit photos and Photoshop stuff on your photos. If you mess up, like I accidentally had my son holding a 5-month sign for his baby photo instead of a 6-month sign. So I just Photoshopped the 6-month sign onto the photo using this app called Canva. I use this also for my YouTube thumbnails. I will show you guys how to make a thumbnail or how I make my thumbnails on my phone. I do everything on my phone. I'll break down one of my old thumbnails. I'll take bits and pieces out of it and add it to a new one and make a whole new thumbnail for you guys to show you how quick and easy it is, especially if you don't have Photoshop on your PC and need an alternative. So without further ado, I'll get right into this video. If you guys are new here and you enjoyed this video or found this video helpful, if you would, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, so to start out, you want to hit the plus sign and then go to YouTube thumbnail. This is how I make all my thumbnails on my phone. I don't have money to pay. Go to camera roll. You want to get your background. So for me, it's going to be Fortress on Al Mazrah. I'm going to put this as the background. And then you want to go back to your photos and get kind of something to go with the background or with the video. So for this, I'm going to take the rank play character off of a previous thumbnail I made, and I'm going to hit copy. Go over here, click on the thumbnail, go all the way to more, hit paste. So for now, I'm just going to put him over here. I'm going to go back to our photos, and I'm going to take this M4 that I made for my buddy. This is my buddy Ollie's thumbnail. I'm going to take this M4 just to show you guys how to make a quick, easy thumbnail. And then the same thing, we're going to copy and then go over here and paste. Now that they're both on here, you can kind of play around with them a little bit. All right, so good so far. I'm not sure what I want to put on here next. I'll probably put ranked play or something on the top. Just keep this one clean and simple. There's another thing you can do is when you hit the plus sign, you can go over to uploads, and I saved a bunch of like my guns and stuff from Call of Duty. That's mainly what I upload, so I saved a bunch of the guns and stuff like that into uploads. That way I don't have to keep going to my camera roll. I can just go to uploads. I have a bunch of pictures of the pro players, facial expressions, you name it. You can save a lot of that stuff. That way you don't have to go and do so. So for here, I'm just going to crop out that just to take the ranked play, and then we're going to put the ranked play on the top. As you see, you can zoom in, make it fit screen, crop it all the way. I'm going to delete the gun and re-paste it. That way, if any of the pieces are in front of the rank play, now they'll be in front of it, not underneath it. So next, that's my quick and easy thumbnail. Like if I wanted to make like a going live, playing rank play, I would post this. Next, you hit the top right and hit save, and it'll save it straight to your camera roll. And boom, there's thumbnail. I'll show you guys, another quick, easy thumbnail. I'll take some stuff off and show you guys some different things you can do. I'm gonna put top 250, put it up. I usually put it top left corner. And then I'll go back in here, take this photo of myself, crop it a little bit. You know, the YouTube trend, everyone does these facial expressions, crop it a little bit. Boom. See, that could be another alternate option for thumbnail. And then they also have text, so I'll put in some text real quick and show you guys what text I like to use. I like to use the glow. I'll just put new meta. And then they have a bunch of different fonts you can use. I'll show you the font I like. I personally like Lovelo. Let's make that all even, boom. And then I'll show you how I like to do my font. They have a bunch of different colors as well as a color wheel, so you can make this whatever color you absolutely want. I'm just gonna go ahead and roll with, you know, purple, and I'll adjust it in a second. Then you go to effects, and I personally like this black outline or the splice. Today I'm gonna roll with the black outline just to keep it nice and clean. Color doesn't particularly look right. Boom, there, that color looks good. I like that one a little better. So yeah, boom, new meta, Warzone rank play, top 250, as well as like a facial expression. All right, to use Canva again for like your Photoshop, I already had my image, but you would go to images, get the image you want. As you see, I have 5 months when really he's 6 months. I accidentally had I didn't know this thing was two-sided. One side's 5, one side's 6. I took a picture of it at home and of the 6, and then I copied it. Now I'm gonna paste it. As you see, the color's not exactly the same. However, if you were seeing this picture for the first time, you would never even know. So I took the picture kind of not directly with like a light hitting it, kind of darker. As you see, you can zoom all the way in, so you make sure you cover it like perfectly. Looks a little off. Now we're looking a lot better. There we go, that's perfect. Then you, at the top right, hit save. Save it straight to your camera roll. And see, if you're seeing this picture for the first time, there's no way you can tell the difference. Absolutely no way.